Cameras are everywhere. There's one in your laptop, two on your phone, and probably more than three in your car. Today, more and more people are taking more pictures and sharing them in many different ways and on different platforms. Unfortunately, the bare minimum camera knowledge most of us have is simply knowing how to point, shoot, and hope for the best Instagrammable moment. Worse still, even when looking to move beyond casual photography to taking pictures that we want to keep forever, it becomes extremely hard to source a good camera. On the other hand, camera manufacturers don't necessarily make the search easy. Their spec sheets are littered with technological jargon like aperture and aspect ratio, which are almost impossible to comprehend. Still, once you manage to get wind of what they mean, the spectacular variety of cameras on the market can be intimidating. If you're in the market for a camera but don't know which one is best, we'll run you through the top DSLR cameras on the market that'll enable you to obtain interesting and dynamic stills and videos. We've also included the links to the cameras in the description box for your convenience. Sound good? Well, keep watching to find out about each one of them. At number 1 is the Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. This DSLR camera from Nikon combines solid performance, excellent ergonomics, and image quality that surpass what a smartphone or even some of the more compact cameras can deliver. It measures in at 124 by 97 by 70 millimeters, and this 36.5 gram DSLR camera is compact in size and weight, allowing you to use it all day without strain. The camera's snug handling is further enhanced by its deep hand grip. It also helps keep your hands stable and balanced, especially when using a longer lens. Inside the Nikon D5600 DSLR camera, it's fitted with 24 megapixel APS-C sensor and an XPEED4 processor. Together, they allow you to capture pictures at a maximum resolution of 6,000 by 4,000 pixels. It's regardless of the metering type you're using. And if you love capturing videos, you'll love the fact that this camera is capable of recording full HD 1920 by 1080 video at a frame rate of up to 60 to 50 frames per second. Another appealing trait that you'll love about the Nikon D5600 is the rear screen display quality. It's sharp, detailed, and displays a graphical representation of ISO setting, the shutter speed, and lens aperture. It also helps you understand how the exposure settings can interact with your camera. Additionally, the responsiveness of the Nikon D5600 is unmatched. The autofocus and viewfinder shooting alerts you when you're properly focused by beeping, allowing you to reframe the focus before shooting for consistent, accurate photos. Once you're done capturing images or videos, Nikon's extensive retouch menu presents you with a long list of still and movie editing options, allowing you to post-process your files long after they're captured. Notably, the camera supports RAW files, and you don't have to spend more on software updates. It has built-in Bluetooth, and you can transfer the images to a smart device. Another real trump card of the D5600 is the extended battery life. Compared to its peers in the same category that only manage an average of 300 shots on a single full charge, the Nikon D5600 can capture a staggering 1,550 shots on a single charge. This gives you the freedom to shoot for a couple of days without having to worry about recharging. If you're looking for a user-friendly DSLR camera, the Nikon D5600 makes a strong case for your money. The built-in guide mode and simplified controls will help you learn the basic functions, and if you're an ultimate off-the-grid adventure seeker, the extended battery life will juice you for days without having to carry spare batteries. At number 2 is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. This top-rated DSLR camera from Canon delivers an ideal mix of still photos and video capabilities for any first-time picture-taking enthusiast, family, student, or vlogger operating on a limited budget. Defined by its conspicuous, sleek profile, the Rebel SL3 weighs just over 15 ounces and measures 9 by 7 by 6 inches long, giving it the perfect body heft, especially when using an extended lens. The camera also comes with a good-sized grip that makes it easy to use with one hand, as well as make it comfortable for both small and large hands. The SL3 allows you to capture high-resolution still photos and UHD 4K videos with just the right amount of vividness and saturation. On top of that, the 5-axis image stabilization function helps correct the camera shakes and moving subjects, allowing you to capture stable and smooth videos. And if you want to add a bit of style to your images without losing them, the Creative Assist feature will help you apply tones, adjust saturation, and store them as new JPEGs. As a novice photographer, the last thing you want to do is have a hard-to-operate camera. This is one area that the Canon has nailed. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera comes with clearly labeled external buttons and systematically organized menu, making it easy to navigate. Better yet, you can choose between the standard menu or the built-in guided display that shows you what the respective settings do. Canon is one of the few select camera manufacturers that seem to understand the importance of a camera by having a fully articulated monitor. Despite the low price of this camera model, it comes with a side-hinged 3-inch touchscreen LCD, making it one of the few DSLR cameras to include this feature. And since the monitor is adjustable, you can easily capture low-to-ground shots, overhead shots, and selfies. Any vlogger out there will definitely love this feature. To sum up this review, the SL3's processor helps increase the battery's life. On a good day, you should be able to capture 1,000 images with the flash on and 1,600 images without. Additionally, the SL3's built-in Wi-Fi gives you quick and convenient ways to send images wirelessly to a smartphone or tablet. And if you want to remotely control the camera via a mobile device, it comes with Bluetooth capability. If you're looking for an affordable DSLR camera that's packed with simple yet sophisticated features, then the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 ticks off all the boxes. It's competitively priced, easy to use, and the built-in guidance menu will serve as an excellent learning tool if you're a beginner. Not impressed with our choices so far? Well, keep watching, we have more cameras lined up for you to see. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Nikon D5600. If you're a photographer who wishes to carry their camera around, the Nikon D5600 is a worthy consideration. This photography rig combines multimedia imaging capabilities with multifaceted wireless technology. Centered around a 24MP DX format sensor and an XP4 image processor, the Nikon D5600 captures high-quality images and crisp detail with dynamic range. Additionally, the processor supports full HD 1080p video recordings and 5 frames per second full-resolution continuous shooting rates. Another aspect you'll love about the Nikon D5600 is the slender stature. It gives the camera a sleek design as well as making it easy to handle. To further enhance the aesthetics and facilitate low and high shooting angles, it also features a 3.2-inch rear LCD touchscreen, which is a rare feature in many DSLR cameras of the same category. To support a wide range of photo and video sharing and tagging capabilities, the D5600 comes with built-in Snap Bridge connectivity that allows you to seamlessly transfer imagery to your mobile devices. For inter-device communication and image transfers, the camera also features Bluetooth low-energy technology. Along with the Bluetooth connectivity, the Nikon D5600 has Wi-Fi capability that facilitates wireless sharing of full-resolution photos and movies. Other notable mentions include the ability to manipulate your photos using the special effects mode, picture control modes, and multiple language support. If you're looking for a diminutive camera that's a click away from shooting memorable photos and videos, the Nikon D5600 is a decent purchase. It's super light, unobtrusive, and produces terrific image quality. And with the large vari-angle LCD touchscreen, you shouldn't have a problem shooting from different angles. At number 4 is the Pentax K70 all-weather Wi-Fi digital SLR camera. Pentax has a reputation for delivering cameras packed with features that are mainly reserved for the premium models. The K70 is not an exception. Boasting an outdoor-friendly design, the camera has more than 100 sealing parts across the body, allowing you to push the boundaries of photography even in the harshest weather. Inside the camera is a sensor that allows you to full record HD 1080p movie videos at 30 frames per second in a MOV format. For YouTubers, the built-in microphone will come in handy when recording in noisy areas. In terms of functionality, no other camera comes close to the sophistication of the Pentax K70. The camera's rear is dominated by the vari-angle 3-inch LCD screen, which allows you to easily record videos and even shoot from unusual angles. For control purposes, it offers 19 control buttons and has more than a single function. Design-wise, the Pentax K70 departs from the ultra-compact trend in some SLR models to a more ergonomic design for normal hands. The deep hand grip, coated with rubberized compound, gives you the freedom to operate the camera using 4 fingers, 3 for holding the camera and 1 for operating the shutter button. If you're looking for an all-weather camera that offers the most features at a considerably lower price, the Pentax K70 certainly does have enough bells and whistles to keep you happy. It has outstanding weather-resistant ability and powerful imaging power to make this camera super reliable even in the most extreme of shooting conditions. Last on our list at number 5 is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. Packing a versatile set of features inside this sleek, compact body, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i is one of the more popular camera models within the DSLR space. This camera gives you the ability to capture high-resolution images and 6 frame per second continuous videos at an expanded sensitivity range. For a casual photographer, the most basic need in a camera is the auto mode feature that performs well, and the Rebel T7i does an extremely good job in that respect. The auto mode feature gives you a simplified user experience by allowing you to precisely set the focus and adjust the exposure and white balance. As a result, you're able to get excellent images and continuous videos by simply pointing the camera to the subject and shooting. On top of the simplified user experience, the camera's dual-pixel auto-focusing system helps keep track of subjects within the frame in both stills and live view mode, which is especially important when you want to simply tap the screen and leave the camera to track you as you run around. Another great feature of the Canon EOS Rebel T7i is the 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen. It allows you to capture images from low and high positions, which is important when shooting outdoors. The rear interface has a modern, attractive look which displays the bright imagery and guided menu option on the screen pop-ups. In today's DSLR landscape, one of the biggest staples is wireless connectivity. The Rebel T7i features a built-in Wi-Fi that lets you transfer your images and videos to other devices. And through the Connect app, you can also control the camera using your Android or iOS device. If you're looking for an entry-level DSLR camera model with better autofocus and faster frame rates, then the Canon EOS Rebel T7i is a refreshing choice. It's easy to use, easy to carry around, and it's packed with multiple features to make your photography journey worthwhile. And there you have it, the top 5 DSLR cameras on the market in 2020. Whether you're a photography student looking for the right foundation or a mother looking to record your kid doing small activities, we hope our list helped you find the best camera to capture all that you need to do. If you found a particular DSLR camera interesting, check out the link in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. We always look forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there's a product you'd have in mind that you'd like to see us review, comment below and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing community by subscribing to the channel. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.